Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you RAYMCRAFT. This is a nice case for our Apple iPad Pro, 13 inches. It is compatible to the M5 and M4 chip device on the market. That means 2024 model, 2025 model are compatible with this case. This case comes with a keyboard. This is a magic keyboard with pen holder function. 11 color backlight. Multi-touch track possible. Wow. Magnetic stand. And it is on the market available in black, and steel blue and other colors. Take care. It's only compatible with the iPad Pro 13 inches M5 from 2025. If you look at your model, have a look. A3360, A3361, or A3362. And it's compatible to the iPad Pro 13 inches M4 from 2024. Model A2925. A2926 and A3007. It's not suitable for the iPad Air. It's not compatible to other devices. So we have to check first and then we order. The really cool thing is we have 11 color backlight. The keyboard comes with 11 color and key combinations. Even in a dark room, the illuminated keyboard for the iPad Pro 13 inches is as smooth and precise typing possible. The ergonomically shaped buttons and the 11 backlight colors and the 3 adjustable brightness levels ensures a comfortable typing experience. And we have a stainless repellent surface. SemiSi-Tech, SemiSi-Tech is combined with PU leather, so we can easily wipe off the stains on the surface. We enjoy the soft, sweat-repellent texture and fluffy linings, without fear of scratching our 13-inch iPad Pro. And secure closure design. The keyboard protective cover is equipped with a magnetic closure at the opening, which strengthens the protection of the tablet. It also has a receptacle for the pen. When we are on the road with the magic keyboard, we don't have to worry about the safety to our stylus. And a quickly adjustable magnetic stand here. That means it's extremely strong magnet. Seamlessly connect the case and the tablet, so we can easily adjust the floating boom stand on the perfect angle for typing, or for surfing, or for entertaining as well. And we can work from anywhere. We turn our iPad into a portable productivity machine and switch it to work mode. Ready whenever and wherever we want to work or we want to have fun. RAYMCRAFT makes it possible. They are born from the persistent pursuit of the first principle of demand. They are excited about the innovative of tactical perfection and functionality. And this brings us this RAYMCRAFT case for our Apple iPad Pro 25 and 24 model. Customers redefine the way tablet keyboard accessories and features dance on the keyboard. Let's have a dance with that case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Sun.